At 65, this vegan drink transformed my energy and skin. Discover how imagine starting your day with a burst of energy that lasts for hours, glowing skin, and feeling more vibrant than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Well, what if I told you the secret could be as simple as one glass of green juice every morning? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this powerful, plant-based drink that can transform your mornings and your health. Trust me, after you try this, you'll never look back. Welcome back to the Unseen Flavors, where we dive into the world of plant-based magic, exploring unique flavors, nourishing recipes, and tips that can elevate your wellness journey. In today's video, we're talking about the one thing that has been a game changer for so many people, including myself: green juice. Whether you're vegan or just looking to add more plants to your diet, this drink is going to be a total revelation for you. So, what makes green juice so special? Well, it's packed with live nutrients, straight from the earth, that your body absorbs instantly. It's like drinking pure energy, and the best part? You don't need to be a master chef to make it. Let's jump in. Green juice benefits. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why green juice? Isn't eating a salad enough? Well, let me tell you, the magic of green juice is that it's concentrated. You're getting all the nutrients from several servings of vegetables and greens in just one glass. Plus, drinking these raw ingredients gives your body a natural boost without the heaviness of cooked food. This juice is made with some super simple, plant-based ingredients. I've got a mix of leafy greens, cucumber, celery, herbs like parsley and cilantro, and one of my favorites, ginger. But here's the thing: when you juice these raw ingredients, you're unlocking all their potential. They're alive and bursting with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that your body loves. For me, green juice is about more than just nutrition. It's about how it makes me feel. Ever since I started incorporating it into my mornings, I've noticed my skin looking brighter, my energy lasting longer throughout the day, and I've even found it helps me stay focused. I know it sounds crazy, but this one simple habit can change everything. Why you should add green juice to your vegan diet. And if you're already vegan, green juice is a perfect addition to your plant-based lifestyle. Think of it as supercharging your day, getting all those raw, unprocessed nutrients in one easy drink. The best part? You can mix and match ingredients based on what you like or what's in season. Today, I'm using what I had in the fridge, but feel free to customize it to your taste. This green juice is especially powerful because it's raw. Raw foods are rich in enzymes, which are essential for digestion and overall vitality. When we cook food, we lose some of those enzymes, but in juice form, you're getting them fresh and unaltered. It's a perfect way to start your day with something light, clean, and packed with nutrients. Why green juice first thing in the morning? I know a lot of us rely on coffee to wake up, but if you're looking for a way to fuel your body in a healthier way, this green juice could be the perfect solution. Here's why. When you drink it first thing in the morning, your body absorbs all the nutrients quickly. It's like giving your cells a big good morning hug. Okay, maybe that sounds a little cheesy, but seriously, your body responds so well to this. Instead of the jittery buzz you get from caffeine, green juice gives you steady, clean energy. You feel alive without the crash. And the best part is, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. I like to drink this before I do anything else before breakfast. Before working out, it just sets me up for the day. The power of each element. Let's break down the ingredients in this juice, because each one has its own special benefits. We've got leafy greens, which are full of chlorophyll, great for detoxing your system. Cucumber and celery are super hydrating and refreshing. They help flush out toxins and keep you feeling light. Herbs like parsley and cilantro add a natural detox boost, especially for your liver. And ginger? It's a powerhouse for digestion and reducing inflammation. Plus, it gives the juice a nice kick. I add ginger to almost everything: smoothies, teas, even in soups when I'm cooking. It's so versatile and brings so many health benefits. It's a real game changer in this juice too. Starting your green juice journey now. If you're just starting out with green juice, I've got a few tips to make the transition smoother. First, don't overwhelm yourself by thinking you have to drink a huge glass right away. Start with a small amount and listen to your body. If you're not used to this level of raw nutrition, your system might need a little time to adjust. Another tip: add a touch of sweetness. If you're new to green juices, sometimes the strong flavors of the greens can be a bit intense. Try adding a slice of apple or a bit of pineapple to balance it out. You're still getting all the benefits, but it makes the juice more enjoyable as you ease into it. The impact of green juice on your overall health. What's really amazing about green juice is how it impacts your health over time. We live in a world full of processed foods, and even the healthiest vegan diet can sometimes lack that raw, living nutrition that our bodies crave. This juice fills that gap. You'll notice the difference in your skin, your energy levels, and even your mood. Personally, I find that when I start my day with this green juice, it influences the rest of my choices. I'm more likely to reach for healthy, plant-based meals, and I feel less drawn to anything processed or sugary. It's like setting the tone for the entire day. Long-term benefits and lifestyle integration. After drinking green juice consistently, you'll start to notice some incredible long-term benefits. I've seen improvements in my digestion, clearer skin, and even stronger immunity. It's like this little powerhouse that just keeps on giving. And the best part? It's so easy to make it a part of your routine. Once you've got your ingredients ready, it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. This has become such a staple in my life, and I truly believe it can make a huge difference for you too. Whether you're vegan or just looking to add more plants into your diet, green juice is a great place to start. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Little changes, like adding this juice to your mornings, can lead to big results. Call to action, so what are you waiting for? Give this green juice a try and see how it transforms your mornings. If you've been feeling sluggish, tired, or just out of balance, This could be the game changer you've been looking for. Plus, it's so easy to make it your own by experimenting with different ingredients. And before you go, I'd love for you to join our growing community of plant-based enthusiasts here on the Unseen Flavors. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with someone who could use a little more plant power in their life. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. We're all about discovering new ways to nourish ourselves through plant-based living, and I can't wait to share more with you. See you in the next one.